Welcome to the August Bangkok Condo Finder Roundup. I'm Darren Stevens. The past month has been what might be termed a mixed bag for the business sector in Bangkok and Thailand, with talk of the country having lost its competitiveness in many industries, while the Stock Exchange of Thailand prepares for a raft of initial public offerings and real estate investment trusts. In a speech made at the end of June, Deputy Prime Minister Mr. PreeDeeYaThorn Deevaakoola stated, "Thailand has lost its competitiveness in many industries, and this was clearly reflected in the negative export growth figures since 2013. We need to change," said the Deputy Prime Minister, who went on to add that the government is making good progress in its plans to shift the kingdom into the third wave of its economic development. He noted the Board of Investment had restructured its policies and investment packages to promote and attract modern and high-value added industries, from aerospace to biotechnology and nanotechnology to medical devices. Part of the problems come because Thailand is desperately short of skilled workers, especially in the automobile, energy and electronic parts sectors. A recent World Bank survey found that Thailand's skilled labour shortage was the worst in Asia, with some 39% of employers saying they face a shortage of skilled workers. The Stock Exchange of Thailand has been busy preparing itself for the advent of the Asian Economic Community, positioning itself to become the leading burst for what is known as the Greater Mekong sub-region. While the planned IPO by Thai Foods Group has been delayed, primarily due to what company executives are claiming are too many risk factors in both the domestic and global economic environment, the management of Bangkok Power announced it was planning to launch its IPO on the SET next year, aiming to use the proceeds to expand renewable energy in both the domestic and overseas markets, investing in solar, biogas, biomass and wind power. Staying with the SET, two real estate investment trust funds, the Thailand Hospitality Fund and the Best Bonded Warehouse Fund, announced they will offer their shares to the public during September and October. Both REITs have received the approval of Thailand's Securities and Exchange Commission, which says Thailand currently has 57 registered REIT funds, of which 40 have registered an increase in value. And finally, at the 6th meeting of the Thailand-China Joint Committee, an agreement was reached for the investment of around 300 billion baht for the construction of an 873-kilometre railway for medium-speed trains. The first phase, a 133-kilometre route from Bangkok to Bangkok and a 138.5-kilometre route from Bangkok to Nakhon Ratchasima province, is expected to start the construction in late October, taking 2.5 years to complete. This has been the Bangkok Condo Finder Roundup. I've been your host Darren Stevens, and I look forward to seeing you next month.